Now, how does this work? Because you can't use GPU risers. Well, I paid a pretty penny for these. What will happen is these are very similar. If you are a GPU miner back in the day, you would recognize something similar to this. We have 5 x16 slots. This bifurcation board will go ahead and split it into 2 x8 slots, which are still really, really good for AI. From there, we have 2 of our SAS ports here, and we're going to use these cables here, and each of them is then going to run to pretty much what you guys are used to seeing as a GPU miner, a riser. So each x16 slot is going to support 2 x8, and these are by a company called CPAIN from overseas. Very expensive. We're not spending $25, $30. I think these were almost $2,000 total. So we are absolutely going big on this rig.